So we're going to fix the ceiling. That we've already fixed the roof leak, and somebody else tried to fix it, just thinking they could put waterproof material, but it's not waterproof on the other side. So we're going to take that down and replace it with plywood, OSB, and then we'll finish it just like drywall. Taking the ceiling down, and there's signs of other animals being in here, mice, which is normal, birds, snakes, but that's all part of it. That's in town. It's not a big deal. We need to close in the ends that keep some of the traffic down, but they can get in through the areas that small. So what I'm doing is going across the rafters, not with the rafters. So we pulled it all down, hammered down those nails, and we don't have any support way over here, but we're going to put that in, and I'll show you how we do that. We've cut it across, measured, also marked where the rafters are with a mark down below it, which is like an old drywall trick. That way we know where to put the screws after we've covered it up. Now I can mark the studs, but in this case we're not going to have to. The hard part's going to be getting it up here and then sliding boards in from both directions, because I'll do this side and then I'll do that side, and then I can put a piece in the middle. So here we go. We have put the OSB inexpensive plywood up there, knowing full well that we're going to have to do some drywall finishing. We've marked where they covered up, the wiring is still there, a vent fan for pulling out the moisture and smells. Now, I also told you that you have to poo on we put 2x on the sides here that sat on top of the wall, and then screwed the plywood up, and it pulled it all up tight. Didn't have to have it, but it's usually good to do that. If you can't, what you can do is put trim around the outside of like a smaller crown mold or just regular trim, and fasten that, and that will hold up that floating area. But as you're going to see, we're going to have this finished like drywall, textured like drywall, and painted like drywall on my booty. This is a wet mix. This is fast mud that we're using. It dries in 20 minutes. Any of your fast muds, if you use hot water instead of cold, it cuts the time in half. We are not doing that because I'll be hard pressed to use it. But here's your screws into the rafters. If you see any kind of inconsistency up and down, that's the rafters themselves. It's not the plywood or the installation.
Are you still there?
Okay.